Wow! Wala pa nga pong isang buwan nang inilabas ng SB19 ang kanila nga pong new single, ang bagong kanta na Lawless. Ito po ay mayroon na agad 3 million streams on Spotify. Mula sa pangkat Spotify update, milestone alert, Lawless now has more than 3 million streams on Spotify. This track continues to break boundaries, making its way to different international stages and reaching listeners beyond borders. A song that carries the fearless spirit of SB19 and reminds us that music knows no boundaries, no limits, and no borders. From the Philippines to the world, Lawless continues to make it marks. Let's keep streaming and sharing this powerful track. Samantala, hindi pa nga natatapos ang Billboard Fan Army 18. Narito na naman po ang panibagong labanan. Mula sa Your Loop category P-Pop Fandom of the Year 2026. It's time to raise your fandom pride. The Your Loop Year-End List Awards 2026 fan voting is officially on. How to vote? Online voting, 60%. Access the link. Nandiyan na po, inilagay natin. I-type nyo na lang po. How to vote? Create a Google account via the Your Loop Awards 2026 website. Basic plan, get 5 free votes per hour per category. Users would need to consume the 5 free votes to get another vote after 1 hour. Premium plan, 99 pesos per month. Get 20 votes per hour per category. Users would need to consume the 20 votes to get another set of votes after 20 minutes. Facebook engagement 40%. Well, narito po ang mechanics. Follow, like the Your Loop page. 3 points, share the photo. 3 points, comment on the photo itself. 5 points, like, react. Voting period August 17 to November 15, 2026. Winners will be announced during the Your Loop Awards 2026 night. Receive a special plaque as a token of recognition from Your Loop. You can secure your tickets now for the biggest gathering of your favorite P-pop music icon. At isa na nga po dyan, ang nominated ay ang SB19 18. Kaya naman po mukhang magiging busy ng husto ang 18 dahil hindi pa po natatapos ang labanan ng Billboard Fan Army ay narito na naman po ang Your Loop. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.